Alright, hello and welcome to the frozen north. It's about minus 20 today. That's in Celsius. So I figured I'd give you a quick glimpse of our new property. We take possession in 2 weeks, but we're here doing a walkthrough. So, give you a little... Okay, so it's hard to see. I'm about the halfway point of the property. I don't know if you'll be able to see the yellow marker, but basically where that tree is missing the top half of it, that's one side of the property. And then on the other side is basically the other side of those evergreens there. And like I say, I'm about halfway down the property. At one point in time, this was a horse farm. So down here is an old stable. And my grand plan for it will be is to use it to store my tractors in and equipment and things like that to maintain the property. Because as I said, there's quite a bit of property to maintain. So we got a whole bunch of little trees to cut and stuff. And I got to figure out where all these fence posts go to and all that stuff, because we'll have to decide what fence is staying and what's not. So here's the stable. I got a water pump there and a bunch of stuff that's probably going to end up being left here that I'll get to deal with, like that little Honda motorcycle. Go down this side here, and that's all ours right up to the road. See the back of a pool house there, and the back of the house over here, and sheds and chicken coops and all kinds of stuff. So we're pretty excited about this. Like I mentioned, there's some sheds and a whole bunch of scrap metal by the looks of it that we're gonna have to deal with, but don't know what all this stuff is from, but I got some roofing to do. Probably a scrap run or two. Here's my chicken coop. Pond. Alright, so this will be our shop. I'll show you the other side and inside here in a second. Alright, there's the front of it. Okay, it's the inside of the shop. Obviously they've still got some of their stuff in here, but gives you a bit of an idea. Obviously I'm going to go in here and change a lot of things. Whew, apologize, it is cold outside today. Needs a railing, among other things, but a railing to start with. And they had like a home gym or something up here. Obviously that's not what I'm going to be using it for. Up here will be primarily storage and things that don't need to be used every day. So that's what I'll be using this for.